Hello and welcome to yet another video here on this channel. In today's video, we are diving into a haul or unboxing. I'm not sure what to call it. I am terrible at unboxing things, but I recently bought myself a new notebook. So I thought I would show off that notebook. We have it right here. And I recently bought this as a gift to myself. I recently was lucky enough to get a salary increase, or I did a good job is probably the right word. Anyways, I ended up buying myself a new traveler's notebook, and I was considering multiple different ones, but I decided on the traveler's notebook for several different reasons. Um, I was considering the Paper Republic one as well because I already have one. I also have Traveler's Notebook. I actually had the pocket one, but I lost it. And I decided to buy myself a few other small things as well. So let's just open this up slowly. I decided to go for this this one right here simply because it is a limited edition and the red color looked so good. Let's quickly go over the other things I bought as well. So I bought a pen clip. This is a pen clip for this Fisher Space pen. I have it in a different color. This is my fiance's pen, which I actually bought her. But I thought that it would fit in the video. I have the exact same one, but in another color. So I wanted a pen clip so I could like clip it onto my notebook. This is a ballpoint pen. I mainly use fountain pens like these ones right here. I actually have a fountain pen that matches the Fisher Space Pen. Um, but I also went ahead and bought a mechanical pencil. So this is a mechanical pencil. I actually have a ballpoint pen from the same company, this one right here. I haven't been using it a lot, but it is really beautiful. And I really wanted a mechanical pencil as well, so I thought I would get one in a matching color. So I will go ahead and open all of this up later. Now we are opening up the Love and Trip notebook, which I am super excited about. This is a limited edition traveler's notebook. And I have so many inserts for this. So let's just quickly open this up like this. Let's put away the plastic. I will clean later. And opening this up. I hate doing unboxing videos because I can never open things up properly. Here we go. This is the Love and Trip notebook. I really like this Love and Trip font right here. Really like the font. It comes with a red elastic. I will probably put a black elastic on top as well. It also comes with this Love and Trip bag. And here you have a spare elastic. For those of you who haven't tried out Traveler's Notebook, you can actually take out this and use this elastic as well. I found that my elastics, like the elastics on the Traveler's Notebooks, aren't as good as the elastics on the Paper Republic ones. So just keep that in mind. But I have a lot of different elastics. I think I have 8 or 9 of them. I'm so scared that they will break and I won't be able to use my notebook. So it comes with this like pouch right here, which says Love and Trip, and this red color is so beautiful. I really wanted the red color. So there is a difference between like the leather that Traveler's Notebook uses and the way it ages compared to the Paper Republic one. Like this gets significantly darker, while this gets a lot of scratches as well. So you can see a lot of scratches. I like both. Like the whole point of picking a leather journal is to see all of the marks. So what I will do is that I will put this in or have this at home, and this will now be my go-to journal. Let's open this up. It comes with, so it uses this paper right here to kind of protect the love and trip here, and it does the same behind here, and the like red color here is much lighter than the dark red you have on the actual notebook. You can also go ahead and open up the insert. So if you want to participate in like Traveler's Notebook special editions, but you don't want to buy a whole new notebook every year, buying these inserts is a great way of doing it. I did that last year. I just bought the insert because last year I don't know what the name was, but it was a black regular size notebook, which I or cover, which I didn't need at all. I'm not a big fan of the black leather, so uh, I didn't buy it, but I wanted to participate, so I bought this insert or last year's insert, which I haven't used yet. So here you actually get this insert. These can be taken out, I think they can. You can see it. I don't know if it shows on camera, but you should be able to see it here. And I really like these as well. I knew that what this would look like because I've seen like 8 or 9 unboxings on YouTube while I've been waiting for mine. You have the Love and Trip here with the birds. You have every traveler's notebook is filled with love, and I really like this. Um, this one with the cat is also great, and you also get some at the back here as well. So like this, this says like all travelers need is love, love and trip. Uh, this is the Traveler's Notebook airline, but I can't get over the color of this. I'm really excited to see how this develops. So mine right here, you can see a comparison between the brown one. This I've had for 1.5 years, actually a little more than that. And I've been using it every single day. It comes with me to work every single day. You can see some of the scratches and marks. And I really liked the way the leather kind of the way it developed and patinaed over time. So I'm really excited to see how this goes. But they also have it in a pocket size, so around this size. I have, as I said, the Paper Republic one, not the Traveler's Notebook one, but they have it in sort of this size as well, um, which is worth considering. I honestly never thought I would use a pocket notebook. I thought like a regular size was too small, but I mainly actually use this as a catch-all notebook. I bring it with me everywhere I go. I bring this with me to work, or actually that one to work, but this one I actually bring with me everywhere I go. So I think that covers it for this unboxing video. Super excited to try this out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will do an update video on this as it develops. Thank you so much.